Adventures bloom beneath the skies. We craft the world with fearless eyes. Hidden gems and treasures untold. Stories in fabric, magic unfold.
Picked up from Josh's house the chicks. I want to show you how big they have gotten since just the 1 week that we went away. Ready? Let's show you. Here they are. Wow. Yeah, they'll be moving from this pretty much to be outdoors now every day because they're this big. So they'll be only coming in at night. Until if they get bigger than that, then, which they will be because they grow up to 15 pounds. These are the Cornish cross meat birds. They're basically going to be permanently, after they're big, after they get more big, they're going to be permanently in the dog cage outside. So for now, they're in here, but they'll be moving out there to eat every day and then maybe tucked in inside for a few, but they're mostly going to be out there. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Let's also show you the golden comets and how big they have gotten. Come with me. We had done some changes on the tote and we did it, as you know, this is a T. And this is how big the golden comets have gotten. Quite big, aren't you? Look at that. They're looking amazing. That one is the biggest one right here. This one. Ooh, they miss me. Look at that. They just miss me. They still come right to my hand. And they let me pick them up and everything. Super sweet and big. So they still come to me. They're super sweet and adorable and growing beautifully. Pretty soon they'll be fully grown. Well, not fully grown, but pretty soon they'll be double, triple the size, and they can go be with the big chickens. Yeah, buddy. Gee, I wonder if they miss me. Look at this. They just put their wings above my shoulder and fall asleep on my arm. Look at that. I truly recommend if you're looking for a chicken that's gentle and super sweet with your kids or your grandkids, get golden comets. Look at this. Look at that. They just put their wing above you and they just cuddle with you. Look at that. They fall asleep right on you too. You need a therapy pet? This is your therapy pet. Meet your therapy pet. She's right there. Say, yeah, you should get some of me because I am adorable. I truly recommend them. They're super sweet. Look at this. This is how big they gotten. Look at this. Oh my God, that's nuts. That's nuts. Pretty soon they'll be fully grown. So I want to walk you through what kind of chickens I have. I have golden comets, and this is more information about the golden comets. How many eggs they lay, and the breeds. They lay you the most eggs. This is the Cornish cross, the other one you just saw as well. The info about the Cornish cross and how big they can get and how many weeks. And this is the stage of how they look from day 1 to day 42. This is the current chickens I have. These are the ones that give you the most eggs, and I would recommend.